Ever missed an important notification because it got lost in the flood of alerts? Today I'm showing you how to prioritize certain app notifications, whether you are using a Samsung like me, a Tecno, Infinix, OnePlus, or even an iPhone. And don't scroll away if you don't have a Samsung Galaxy 22 Ultra. Stay tuned because I'll show you step by step how to do it on your brand too. This tip will save you from missing important messages, updates, and even work alerts. Let's go. For Samsung, Galaxy, Tecno, Infinix, in fact, all Android phones, you go to your settings, here, settings, and you scroll down and tap on notifications. Notifications. Now tap on app notifications, or it's either app notifications or manage notifications depending on your phone. Find the app you want to prioritize, for example WhatsApp. WhatsApp here. And now look for something like notification categories, priority notifications, or important notifications. So I have notification categories here, but if you don't see notification categories, you have to turn it on by going to settings, notifications, and advanced notifications, advanced settings, and then you scroll until you see how to toggle this on. So if you toggle, if it's not here already, you toggle it on and you will see it here. All right, so now okay, so it's either notification categories, priority notifications, or importance notification. So you turn on so tap on this, right? So you turn on priority or importance for that app. Some phones might call it, if some phone might just say make sound or pop up, which also give it high priority. So if I want my message notification, if I want to give it high priority, I can select here to make it show as a pop-up, and I can put sound for it, right? So this gives it a high priority. Or if you see an option for lock screen notification, if you see an option for lock screen notification like here, you can also set it to show content, right? Set it to show, to make sure it appears visibly. So this, enabling this, gives it a priority also. So on Samsung's phone, you can even pin important app notification to the top of your notification panel by enabling priority. So if I go back here to like under notification settings, you see how it says sort. So you can check to sort by priority, right? Okay, so now let's quickly move it to iPhone users. For iPhone users, you open your settings app, you tap on notifications, you scroll down and tap on the app you want to prioritize, and you enable allow notifications. Then make sure alerts are turned on for lock screen, notification center, and banners. Also enable badges to make sure you don't miss new alerts. Optional, this is optional Android tip. If you're using optional advanced tip. If you're using iOS 15 or higher, you can add apps to your focus modes allowed notification to ensure they always get through, even during do not disturb. And that's it. Now your most important apps will always notify you first, no matter what brand of phone you have. And if you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a big like, share it with someone who needs it, and subscribe to my channel or my page. Follow me for more easy phone tips and tricks. I'll see you in the next video.